Hey guys, what's up? You know it be Man United in Pigeon. So I did here because say Man start the season well, yeah. So I want to ask people if them feel say we go still rise or if them feel say our season don't be blah.
My name is Uche. I would like to talk about Manchester United current Premier League season, and so far they be like say things get as it be, but I get the belief say even say we don't start badly, but that just 4 matches we don't play, things fit still change. We still fit win the league. Nothing they ever dey sure as at this stage of the league. So the only people will be say they be like say they carry fire for head na Man City, but even Man City sef they know they do well as they do last season. So I dey believe say something will happen. Say before second half of the season, United go show our true colours. And on Pogba's issue, Pogba dey fuck up. But I go like talk one thing say, Ferguson dey always talk say no player dey bigger than the club. So if Pogba dey feel say e too big, say nobody fit talk to am, say e go better say make him just shift one side, make him leave us. Oh, gather ourselves. Ronaldo comot, we no die.
My name is Akishan Adebi.
And my name is Harrison.
Yeah, we are Man U fans.
Strong one. Now my Ogag.
I don't really have anything to say about this thing though, but my own thing I hope the Man U board and who was all of them, they try to resolve and get maybe the director of football that can just help with the signing and work well with Moyo and the team. But let's see how December is going to be. This guy actually wants Moyo to leave though.
Jose out.
He actually wants him to be sacked, end of discussion, right?
Jose out. Jose out.
But to me, let me just try going to be by December though, but I really wish there's going to be a very, very fast response.
The truth of the matter is this, we had the chance to have a fantastic team at the beginning of last season when Rashford and Martial were the one running the teams on the left.
You and your left side.
Let me speak now. Now the thing is this, we had a fantastic opportunity to have a fantastic team. Martial and Rashford were running the left. Now, if the case whereby we probably have bought Mahrez to compete with Mkhitaryan, or we bought Sanchez and he compete from the left, right wing, no wahala. But all this forcing Sanchez on the left and Mata on the right, it kills all the fluidity, it kills all the transition of football. Sanchez loses a whole lot of ball. Let's be honest to ourselves. So he loses a whole lot. So I don't want to even get into too much facts right now. I don't want people to come and mark my face now, so they see me on the street and they come and shoot me at every face. So the thing is, Jose out. And shout out to Manchester United Pigeon, Real G.
I'm a United fan for life. Since the days of Sir Alex Ferguson. Maybe today we don't support the Red Devils now. And I just the reason how this season just be. This season just crazy as we just start there. I don't know, we just they lose, just they do anyhow. Imagine how Tottenham will just they beat us. He tire me. And Mourinho will talk tonight the special one. Which kind of special person? Rubbish. The guy they're supposed to pursue and make they go carry Real Madrid coach, make it come, make they bring Zidane. Before you know we go win Champions League. So as it just be, and if you lose some kind of players with that team, it weak me. How person like Martial go do like senior man, you know go one mark for him players. So another person with they again where they bust my head, Pogba, that overrated Ijebu boy. The boy sabi shingba. They don't decide different players, but they come unlock only one single player. What's it happen? She na so Ronaldo dey, na so Ozil dey, all these top players and all these top players who dey play better football. She na so then they go dey sign Fred now. That one e be like say no carry kick come. Sabi unlock Pogba. Fellaini dey there. Na only when they wan score with throwing they sign that one. So what are we talking about now? Man, you need prayer.
Based on Man U paro here, if I really want to talk about them now, I go just talk say the team know they do well like this. You understand? They see they play with fear. This one people won't come out. This one won't come out. Everybody know just they settle. So me I go just reason say all of them just they say they go just they tight for the league. Or if they don't do any, if they don't stay together like this, they know they united as the name take talk. You understand? They go just they get wahala 1 or 2 go just happen. So now they guys focus on that top focus. Champions League no sure. I don't know about FA Cup and Carling Cup, but you see that league, the guys they focus. Well, because if the reason say they go sack Mourinho tomorrow, Mona lie, the money they will set to Mourinho, plenty gone, he big, he large. So the guys focus maybe just do Mourinho no dey bad like that. Now just the player just guys fit into his system. If you no fit into his system, you guys now get issues. So you guys should just focus, sit down, relax. If not fail, last night on the fail for years, they still there together.
What up here? It's your boy, and I'm the Cocky Mali. In case you don't know, this now Man United in Pigeon, the #1 blog for Man United fan. I be artist, I dey design clothes. Most importantly, I be Man United fan. You don't see as our season dey go. So many haters on us. The press just dey our matter. People dey talk about Mourinho. People dey talk about Pogba. People dey hate on Lukaku boxer. No matter how they want do am, we try to keep am 100. The season fit no dey as perfect as we expect and all that kind of thing. But me, I dey anticipate say we go still turn up. Definitely, as we don't win Berlin, the international break, we come back from international break. I expect say our boys go rise up to the occasion, and at least they dey with their national team, so they go know the kind of standard really guys put. On the normal, people usually they hate on us. We be Man United, hated, adored, but never ignored. So now so it dey be. I expect say this season too, we go still turn up. If we no win the league, I gotta stay honest. Although as a Man United fan, anything can happen. But I expect say at least if we no be first, at least we go be second or third. So now so it be.